Guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Forms with photo upload. So there is this feature where you can add or you can allow the respondents to upload certain files to the Google Form questions. And here I'm going to show you how you can allow or create that Google Form with the photo upload. So you can just click on the form or create the forms in here in the Google Forms, and then you can just set the questions. So for example, in here, okay, I'm going to go with this questions here right here. You can change the type of question from, for example, this one, multiple choice. You can change it into file upload. You can click on this, and in here you can see that you can let respondents upload files to Drive. Files will be uploaded to the form's owner Google Drive, which is you, and respondents will be required to sign into Google when file upload questions are added to a form. So they need to have a Google account, and make sure to only share this form with people you trust. And if you are confirmed, you can just tap on continue. And in here you can, to change it into a photo upload only, you can change or you can enable this allow only specific file types. You can click on this, enable this, and here choose image. Okay, now there will be this photo upload questions. So that's all from me. That's how you can get Google Forms with photo upload questions on it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.